Slatty, what's going? I ain't gonna cap. I got a new camera, webcam motherfucker. I don't know if I'm feeling that one. Hey, is y'all feeling this one or like how the shit used to look? Cause this one, 1080p baby, yeah, shit. And I got the new desk. Not the new desk, but I don't got no new desk yet, but the new chair motherfucker. Y'all know my last video I had the dining room table motherfucker, but and shit, like I said, you starting from the bottom now with her, you know. Shit. It's the I wasn't trying to get no gaming chair. That motherfucker expensive in here. I ain't gonna care. $100 for them gaming chair. What the fuck? Fuck wrong with that? Anyway, we got Fredo Bang, loose screws, loose screws. Y'all remember the Jack and Emmett song? Loose screws. Anyway, let's just get to it. I ain't gonna cap. I ain't feeling this chair. I don't know. I can't go down how I want to. I can't vibe out how I want to. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, it's just.
Uno got the streets going crazy, 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 crazy.
This a butter beat. Counted out the mud and I relax and throw a hand out. Changed up on the stuff, you piss me off, I like your hands off. Bitch, I stand up in this when this pressure never ran off. My felonies and DOC.
And they got the Lambo truck motherfucker. Okay, cool. Ooh, got the white motherfucker that Miracle Whip motherfucker. Okay, cool.
See you with the camera, stick at the stick, accomplice at the bitch, yeah. When I drop the bag, he call my people, he won't quit, yeah. Step up in the city, we got drinks and make it fail out. Jump up in the club and touch my chain, I knock a fan off. Bitch, I found my stay, don't put my groove up. I get the trippin' on the drugs, don't put my mood up. Yeah, when I hit your city, put your tool up. Yeah, holla, who won't fuck with me, I pay a nigga burgundy.
I thought I wasn't feeling that motherfucker. Why the fuck did the motherfucker lean front, not back? Bitch, trying to lean back, not lean front. Fuck wrong with your ass.
My granny told me, boy, you got some loose screws. Lately, I've been in my bag, chasing Bluetooth. Disrespect me, then I let the fucking tube go. These bitches tryna pick me out these whole Bluetooth. My granny told me, boy, you got some loose screws. Lately, I've been in my bag, chasing Bluetooth. Disrespect me, then I let the fucking tube go. These bitches tryna pick me out these. I've been chillin' in this bitch, don't make it up tonight. I'm with them killers, stay Osama, you brought your cutter, right? I see a bitch up in the car, I'm tryna fuck tonight. Hey, say your mama, can I squeeze it in your butt tonight? You know, wearing them little heels.
This nigga nasty. This nigga talking about can he put it in the play? This nigga nasty. This bitch ugly as fuck, but I ain't gonna cap. The most freaked out bitches be the bitches with the guts. I ain't gonna cap like it. Bitches be freaked out.
To get you fucked, right? Yeah. You know wearing that little dress will get you touched, right? I see your baby daddy looking on start a club fight. Wait, tell that pussy nigga get his
guarantee motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? Good for you, bitch.
Love right, I'm out, man. Coming through the crowd, I got that bag on me. You slanging on, I'm slanging on, I keep that strap on me. I'm throwing foes up in your city, I'm from that raggedy. Fuck that little from the back, I got a screaming R.I.P. the G. My granny told me, boy, you got some loose screws. Lately, I've been in my bag chasing Bluetooth. Disrespect me, then I let the fucking tube go. These bitches tryna pick me out these whole Bluetooth. My granny told me, boy, you got some loose screws. Lately, I've been in my bag chasing Bluetooth. Disrespect me, then I let the fuck.
This song ass, I ain't even gonna care. I don't know. Like, I fuck with Fredo Bang because, like, I watch niggas' interviews. Like, I fuck with Fredo Bang, but his songs be ass. I ain't gonna care. Like, the song just don't be doing that for me. You know what I'm saying? Like, it don't be nothing special, nothing different for real. You know what I'm saying? But it's a cool little video. Got the bitches in this shit. Got the bitches shaking that. Got the bitches shaking. It's litty, little titty. You know what I'm saying? But the song ass. You know what I'm saying?
Fucking tube boom. These bitches tryna pick me out these whole Bluetooth.
Let me beat on the ass like some bongos. You know what I'm saying? Hey, y'all fucking with my new camera quality or like my laptop or like the computer camera better? What y'all think? I ain't gonna care. I pay $30 for the motherfucker. Motherfucker, call. You know what I'm saying? Them motherfuckers like look cartoonish. You know like when you edit a picture and you got the cartoon effect on that motherfucker, do what the motherfucker look like. I ain't gonna care. But it's great though. You know what I'm saying? Get the job done. Cause I just wanted my shit to look more high quality, if you get what I'm saying. Nigga, you a bitch. Nigga mad at me cause a nigga getting rich. Yo, bitch, what's up my tip? Yo, bitch, wanna lick my tip. I wanna let her click. Bitch, you can't join my clique. Anyway, y'all like, comment, and subscribe. You dig.